What's good with it, folks? Got a quick one for you. I've been having this problem for the last, I don't know how long, probably since I've been trying to do this. Um, so what the issue was is whenever I'm talking on Discord, my audio would it to me it felt like it was pulsating is what I would call it. I don't know what it's really called. But so the problem was this echo. So with the echo on, it was messing up the audio quality. Let me let you hear it. So if this is your problem, this is what you can do and you're good to go. Okay, here we go. So right now you can hear it kind of echoing, or not echoing, but it's not picking up my voice on a constant level. It's like pulsating. So let's do a test. Uh, uh, so you can hear it jumping around, right? And whenever you turn it off, do another test. Uh, and you can see the difference. Thanks for watching.